Hello South Africa. Footage of horrific N3 multiple vehicle collision. At least 4 people have died while multiple others were injured in a collision on the N3 Eastbound before the Marianhill Toll Plaza in KwaZulu-Natal. The horrific crash happened on Tuesday morning, November 1, 2022. According to emergency service Netcare 911, reports indicate that 6 cars and 4 trucks were involved in a collision. Netcare 911 spokesperson, Sean Herbst said when medics arrived on scene they found one of the cars stuck underneath the trailer of a truck. Sadly, all 4 occupants showed no signs of life and were declared deceased on the scene. Herbst said the Road Traffic Inspectorate, National Traffic Police, SAPS Accident Unit, SAPS Marianhill, Government EMS, eThekwini Fire and Rescue and Durban Metropolitan Police Services were all on scene. In another incident also on Tuesday, 2 people died in a collision on Stockville Road in Mahogany Ridge in the Durban West region. A truck driver reportedly lost control, resulting in the truck rolling down an embankment and coming to rest upside down. According to Netcare 911, the front cab was completely crashed and medics were forced to use hydraulic tools to access the occupants. Both driver and passenger had sustained fatal injuries and were declared dead on the scene. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.